The Uganda People's Defence Forces (UPDF) has rescued 48 captives of the Allied Democratic Forces as part of the ongoing Operation Shuja, mounted jointly with the Congolese Army. The rescued are Ugandan and Congolese nationals. 23 were rescued in Itoroko district. Brigadier Felix Klaige, the defense spokesperson, told a press conference at the Ministry of Defense headquarters in Kampala on Tuesday that the hunt for the ADF rebels, still hidden in the jungles of eastern DR Congo, is on.
This is done in a phased way, or in a phased manner. So far, we have 48, both Ugandans and the Congolese, that were former ADF elements, of whom 23 were captured during the attempt to infiltrate the country in Itoroko, December 2022. And then the others have been either rescued or captured. These include 25 male adults Ugandans, male adult Ugandans, no female adult, and then children are 5 female and 12 male.
Lama Bukaiti, the Vice President of Bridgeway Foundation, a non-profit organization that rehabilitates rescued captives, said the ADF recruits these young children by promising them scholarship money before manipulating them into rebellious acts.
But as Brigadier General Felix has said, there are many people, many young individuals, some of them teenagers, some of them even boys and girls, who were tricked into the ADF, or were abducted into the ADF, or were deceived through false economic promises or promises for scholarship, and they joined the group. Of course, we know that there are individuals who voluntarily join because they believe in ADF's ideology and agenda, but there are many people who joined because they were deceived, because they were abducted, or because they were tricked into the group.
He said their long-term solution against the rebels is to choke their supply of funds, which is believed to be from Somalia, providing psychosocial support to affected individuals, as well as promote political and economic stability in communities.
Now they are in the bush. They are hungry. They are ill. They are tired. They did not receive the economic promises that was promised before they joined. They did not receive any scholarship, and Operation Suja is raining fire on them. So many of them want to get out of the ADF, and our research reveals that at least 30% of current members of the ADF want to defect. And therefore, we believe it is important to give them an exit route. Why? For 3 reasons. Number one, defection is one of the best ways of weakening the ADF. Military effort is very good, and it has been effective through Operation Suja. But then, if people are now in the bush, they are dying, they are hungry, they want to leave, if you allow them to leave,
Nathan Twino, the legal advisor at the Amnesty Commission, said the rescued children will not be prosecuted before courts of law. Instead, they will receive certificates showing they survived the torture being in the hands of the ADF.
You are not prosecuted for the crimes or whatever you may have done when you were in rebellion, and we know that most of you are children, and so we don't want to traumatize the children, and so that's why we will not label them by giving them these certificates. We will give them to the people of age 15 and above. And so that's what we do. And I want to remind you that we give amnesty once. If you re-offend what we call recidivism, then we don't give you forgiveness again. And so we urge you, please behave so well. We will be able to follow you and see how we can help you settle back in your communities. And so you are welcome. Please feel free.
Some of the rescued victims spoke to Beg Television.
Babangu mzazi mwenyewe akanitumia, nilikuwa niko na simu. Babangu mzazi akanitumia message anasema niende nione familia yangu kasini. Sikujua kumbe ilikuwa plani ile kunipeleka shule.
Ilikuwa plani yake. She was a student and during holidays her father told her to go and visit the family. Little did she know that this was a way of recruiting her into ADF. So for her, the father participated in recruiting her into the ADF.
Naguja Serena, Beg Television.